So we're going to try again, guys. Let's put her in neutral here. Oh crap, guys. I have my blades on. So let's see what happens. Sounds okay right now. I'm not done with my mowing out back here anyhow. I moved them logs over. I want to cut that where the cat's sitting and all that's right over in there. Better scoop my seat forward, short-legged guy like me. Up, and I put her in neutral to do it too. That ain't working out so well. There we go. Ah! There we go. Lever didn't want to. I did it again. All right, I'll have to oil that out, guys. He keeps moving on me. Well, it ain't missing now, is it? So we must have found our situation. Let's get up here and get this crap mowed out of here. That kitty get out of the way, did she? I hope she did. Well, guys, I don't have my mower down. All right. You know what? I did that earlier too. All right. Let me disengage that. There's sharp stuff on here. So let's do her again, folks. She's in neutral. Let's fire up again. All right, well, I didn't turn the gas off, did I? Maybe I did. I think I must have turned the valve off and didn't turn it back on, guys. Let's hang on here. Yep, that's what I did. I turned the valve off there when I was doing that, guys. I didn't turn it back on. There we go. Now we can finish what we're doing here. There she's going now. Solve the issue. I make sure I got her down, because if it's not, I bounce you guys all the heck moving the camera around. There we go. That daggone seat just moved on me again. Alright, well, anyway, we're going to finish this up. And this tractor runs real low RPMs. And I talked to somebody else with one of them. They told me theirs is the same way. There we go. Of course, you know, the higher the RPMs, the faster the blades go and the better the mow, so we're gonna go back and do that. Then I'll bring Wonder Dog out with his little red ball and let him run a little bit. You know, I think I was back in here mowing when it started missing, and I may have brushed up against this stuff here and may have wiggled the plug wire. I don't know. But that one plug wire that was really loose, I bit the end of it down. I bit it with my teeth and tightened it up. So I don't know if that's the problem. These tractors they weren't synchronized. See, and I don't have it all the way down because my seat's all the way back. My legs don't hardly reach it, but there we go. Now we got her again. So we're going to finish this up. So this, I ran over, guys, so it's going to be a video, not a short. I gotta stop it now because I can't two-hand it to get that right in there, guys. So come on back.